Welcome back to my channel Explore with Health Tips. Today we'll talk about Himalayas mountains. Himalayas are not just mountains, they are land of snow, secrets and unbelievable stories. What does Himalaya mean? The word Himalaya comes from Sanskrit. Him means snow, Alya means home, means the home of snow. Himalayas are still growing every year. Yes, the mountains are still slowing, rising every year. Himalayas are home to the world's highest mountain, Mount Everest, with a height of around 8,848 meters. At the top, the air is so thin that people cannot survive without oxygen support for long. Some people believe the Himalayas are one of the strongest spiritual energy zones on the earth. Okay, very important and interesting thing, Himalayas have thousands of glaciers. These glaciers feed some of the biggest rivers in Asia, including Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra. That is why the Himalayas are also called the water tower of Asia. Okay, now let's talk about the biggest mystery of the Himalayas, the Yeti. Yes, also known as abominable snowman. Many trekkers and locals have reported seeing large footprints in the snow. Some even claim they saw a strange creature moving in the mountains. Till today, there is no proof, but mystery remains alive. In the Himalayas, there is a lake called Rupkund Lake, also known as Skeleton Lake. Why? Because hundreds of human skeletons were found around the lake, frozen under ice. Scientists believe these people may have died due to an accident, natural disaster, but for many, Rupkund is still one of the most mysterious places in India. Friends, have you ever wondered why the Himalayas feel different? Not just cold, not just high, but mysterious, like they are hiding something. Even today, Yeti is not fully proven nor fully denied. Many trekkers have reported floating lights, moving lights, lights that suddenly vanish. These lights are reported again and again. Himalayas have an energy which you can feel. It's completely different. People go there for peace, healing, self-discovery. There is a dark reality of Mount Everest, the frozen rainbow bodies on Everest. On Everest, many bodies are still present on the route. Because it is too dangerous to bring them down, oxygen is low, weather is extreme. This is why Everest is called the world's highest graveyard. So friends, this was our journey through the mysterious facts of the Himalayas. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And comment below which fact surprised you the most. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.